This word is pronounced enhance. Enhance. We have two syllables, and hance. The stress is on the second syllable, so it sounds like enhance, enhance, enhance. Now, the first syllable, you could argue if you're speaking slowly, you're going to get the word in. But when I speak more quickly, enhance, enhance, I'm almost going straight to that N sound, and the short I sound becomes more of a schwa sound. Enhance, and so I would say the first syllable is more along the lines of it's hard to do on its own. The second syllable is hance, starting with the H sound, followed by the short A sound, ah. Then we have the N sound, and finally the S sound, s. Enhance, enhance. I would argue that having a cat has very much enhanced my life. What's something that enhances your life? Tell me about it in the comments below. And if you want to learn more right now, click on this video.